Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to see on Snapchat who added you. So first, just go to the chat section. You will see in here, add friends. And then since I don't have friends yet, I'll show you what it should look like. So this should show up and you could accept them. And then another method that you could try is go to your profile. You will also see add friends and this should show up. And you can also add them back and then go to stories and then click the add friends button and this should show up as well. So that's it. That's how you see who added you on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.